Well, OCBC's net profit for its second quarter rose 28% to $1.48 billion. Their stronger than expected earnings was driven by robust performance across its banking, wealth management and insurance businesses. Now, OCBC's net interest income rose 16% on year to a record $1.7 billion. Now, this was largely driven by asset growth and an expansion in the bank's margin. On net interest margin, an indicator of profitability, climbed 13 basis points to 1.71%. It is the highest in 2 years as asset yields outpaced higher funding costs amid a rising interest rate environment. OCBC declared an interim dividend of 28 cents per share, up from 25 cents last year. Well, Group CEO Helen Wong says the bank's resilient performance demonstrated the strength of its diversified franchise, but headwinds remain.
We stay cautious on near-term headwinds in our operating environment. I cannot miss out the Russian-Ukraine war, worsening strains in the global supply chain, and this also heats up inflationary pressures with negative consequences on the overall global economy. Monetary tightening induced recession risks also rising in key developed markets.
With the hike in the Fed rates that we've seen over the last months, particularly the most recent one, the chances of an economic slowdown or a recession could rise, and that could have a negative impact on the health of the bank's earnings forecast as well as the overall economy. So that's certainly a macro risk that people need to watch out for.
Well, DBS will be reporting its financial results tomorrow, rounding out bank earnings here in Singapore.